Who likes recipes from Food Network? I like recipes from Food Network. Raise your hand if you like them too. Actually, I can't see your hands raised, so plan B. Go ahead and hit the like button. There we go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you and give it our review. Now, today we are checking out a recipe from Giada on the Food Network. Giada, take it away. Oh! Thank you. And this recipe is called Penne with Sun-Dried Tomato Pesto. We all know Food Network. They have a huge empire of cooking shows on TV. They even have their own channel, obviously, the Food Network. They got shows like, Chopped and Cutthroat Kitchen and Beat Bobby Flay. Bobby, I'm coming for you one day. But also, they have, individual cooking shows, and one of them features Giada, and she is an Italian cook who does her Italian thing in an Italian way and makes some Italian food.
And everybody oohs and ahs over it.
So, I'm going to try out one of her recipes today. Again, that is the Penne with Sun-Dried Tomato Pesto. Rolls right off the tongue. Alright, let's jump right into this thing. First off, we're going to cook the penne pasta per the instructions on the package. Let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, next up we're mixing some ingredients. Sun-dried tomatoes, some garlic, salt and pepper, a whole bunch of basil. Basil. And then we're chopping that up in the food processor, aka blender for us, but it works. It works really well, actually. Make sure all those tomatoes are finely chopped. Now we're going to dump all that into a big old mixing bowl and put in your Parmesan and mix that all up. Make sure it's all mixed nicely. Yeah, this is mixing. This is actually the actual sign language for mixing Parmesan with sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, salt and pepper, and basil. So don't look it up. Don't look it up. But just, trust me. That's what it is. Next up, you're going to go ahead and add your penne pasta and mix that, toss it, make sure it's all coated nicely. And then you're going to go ahead and slowly add in your reserved liquid from the penne pasta when you're cooking it, like we showed earlier. And you're going to go ahead and do that until it's nice and moist. Kate. Thing to do, salt and pepper, season it, and serve it. Super simple. Let's try it out. Got some nice pasta action going here. See if we can get that. Yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's try it out. You know what I just realized? The rooster hasn't made an appearance in this video yet. I'll be right back. Wow, what can I say? It's delicious. Yeah, I mean, super easy to make. Really easy.
And everybody oohs and ahs over it.
Took me probably about a half an hour at the most. Most of that time was just waiting for the penne to boil. That is very tasty. Very, very tasty. I definitely recommend, you guys try this one out. Super easy to make. You can double, triple the recipe and serve it in a big pot. You can feed the whole family relatively quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a solid 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. That's the Recipe or Disaster rating. All right. Well, that's about it for today. Thank you guys for joining us. Always a pleasure. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And go ahead and check out the description because you're going to find the link to the original recipe. And that's always a good thing. All right, everybody. Well, you take care. We'll see you next week.